Good morning. It's 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, June 6, 2019. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Okay, these guys are now, as it appears to me, in my own opinion, they're trying to create a false signal to get people to dump. This market is oversold for the past couple of days, which is very unusual. It usually doesn't go past one day, much less three. Okay. For every time that the market gets over 105 there or close to it, there's immediate reaction to dump the price down under their control. The price is being manipulated. Basically, the manipulator is engaged in psychological warfare on the little investors. In other words, the investors that have the cash and coin are working against the smaller investor to manipulate them so they can abscond their cash. This is very easy to see. It also comes to point out that yesterday, with a 250,000 buy cap, how were they able to process an order that amounted to $1,079,000, way above the caps that Coinbase has to keep the market from being manipulated, but yet it still went through. The previous day before that, how was somebody able to put up a sale of 21,000 Litecoin? Well, actually, it was more 22,000 Litecoin. How were they able to accomplish that when there's supposed to be a 4,000 sale limit for every and each customer? That just goes to show you the manipulation is real, and it has to be coming from inside Coinbase itself to be able to bypass those caps. It's probably their market maker. So as far as I can see, this exchange is corrupt. Now, as far as the CFTC and the New York Department of Financial Services are, if bank examiners are not good traders. If you put them in front of a trading platform, they cannot identify manipulation from a hole in the wall. All right? If I had their budget, staff in an office, I can guarantee by the end of the month there'd be a few people locked up. All right, there'd be a major investigation going on, especially into Mike Armstrong and Charlie Lee for that. Hey, let's put Litecoin on Coinbase. Yeah, let's do it. They pumped it up, and Charlie Lee sells at the highest price possible it's ever been at $370. Cleans out his whole portfolio of coin, dumps it, and then turns around and fabricates the story he did it because he doesn't want anybody accuse him of conflict or interest. I don't know if people heard, but if the CEO is dumping his own stock of the company that he owns and created and dumps it all, yes, that is a conflict of interest in itself right there. So I don't understand how the CFTC and all these other regulatory agencies can stand by and not see what's going on. It's very obvious. Like I said, if I had the budget, the staff in an office, these guys could count how long they got of staying out of jail on their fingers. 10 months maximum, I'd have them locked up. There's more than enough proof that this market is being manipulated, especially what conspired over the past 3 days, where they were able to come in and basically override the market cap set for the buys and the sells, and that can only be done from the inside. The average investor there's nothing on this platform can get you to override those caps. It had to be done from the inside. These guys are criminals. You try putting up a trade to dump 4,000 Litecoin, see what happens. You try to buy over $250,000 of Litecoin in one trade, see what happens. Okay, I'll show you right here if you're unsure. Okay, let's go right there. It's right on their user agreement. We'll go right down here. Here's the minimum trades. See, you cannot place anything below any minimums here. Yeah, you see? They're supposed to be enforced. All orders placed on Coinbase are subject to the following maximum order sizes. Okay, let's go to LTC. Base currency, 4,000. Quote currency, 250,000. How are they able to go in and overrun this in the user agreement? How come they were given permission to go in there and go over the order maximums? How did they do that? And the order maximums are specifically tailored to keep the people from manipulating the market. But yet yesterday they were able to violate the order maximums, and the day before they were able to violate the order maximums, bypass them, and manipulate the market. These guys are criminals. You might think it's a rant, but go. It's all there for everybody to see. Alright, people. That's all I have to say. These guys are con artists.